Hello crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am here with another Tunisian Tuesday. Today's stitch of choice is the Tunisian treble crochet. What a tongue twister. Anyway, this stitch is super easy and as you can tell it looks pretty much just like the regular crochet treble stitch. Super easy to get a hang of. It works up super quick, as you know most Tunisian crochet does. And without further ado, I'm just gonna jump into the tutorial. Okay, for today's tutorial you can chain in any increment that you would like. I am doing a sample swatch here, so I cast on 10 and I did my first returning pass. So with this stitch, this is definitely a stitch made for height. So what we're going to be doing is chaining 2 or 3 if you'd like, but I'm chaining 2 today. And what we want to do is yarn over twice. So 1 wrap, 2 wraps, and you might want to hold it with your finger just to keep it secure. And what we're not going to do is go into this first stitch right here. That is a big no-no with Tunisian crochet. Instead, we are going to go into this second stitch, work into that front vertical bar as so, and we are going to yarn over and we're going to pull up a loop so that we have 4 loops on our hook. Then we're just going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Just like that, and it should look like that. And then I'm going to yarn over twice again, and I'm going to move on to the next vertical bar or stitch. I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop, then we're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, oops, and pull through 2. Alright, and this is what we do for the rest of the row. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, then you yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, all the way across. Alright, and I'm ready to go into my last one. Now, just like with the Tunisian double crochet, some people go into this little weird horizontal bar right here. I just personally go into that last vertical one, going under both loops so that I have a nice clean edge. Pull through 2, pull through 2. And this is what row 1 looks like. It gives you these nice little loose, stretchy stitches, and then you can proceed to do your returning pass as normal. So that is chain 1 and then pull through 2 to the end. This stitch is perfect for quick summer projects. If you're making like tank tops and things like that, like I said, Tunisian crochet is one of those techniques that grows really quickly, and then given the nature of treble crochets, it would make for a really breathable pattern. Alright, so once you do your returning pass, you would just go back, you would chain 2, and then you can yarn over. Going to work into that second stitch of our row. I'm just going to yarn over twice, I'm sorry. Then we're going to go into that second stitch of our row. Going to yarn over, pull up a loop so that we have 4 loops on our hook. And then we're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we're going to do that all the way across our row. Alright, and I have reached the end of my second row. Oops. Oops. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on awesome weekly content like this. I post a new Tunisian crochet tutorial every Tuesday at 9:30 a.m. CST. Don't forget to check out my other social media. I am on everything except for Snapchat pretty much, so I have something out there for everybody. So feel free to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, Twitter, wherever else I am on this wonderful web. And also don't forget to check out my Etsy store. I have some cool stuff getting ready to pop up over there in the coming months, so you're not going to want to miss out on that. So if you don't mind, head on over there and give me a heart. I also have a coffee blog, and I am considering starting up a podcast over there. I'm not quite sure on what topics. If you guys want to like brainstorm topics with me, that would be more than welcome as well. And until next time, guys, happy making.